Hey, it's Andrew. I'm your guest in the kitchen today. Today we're making some barbacoa. Let's go spice things up. Pick your favorite marbled chuck roast. I got mine at Costco. Then carve it up in 4-ounce chunks. Add some coarse kosher salt and some pepper. Then put it in the pan. While it's browning, you're going to get the marinade ready, with the authentic recipe in the description. Then you'll carefully set the meat into a crock pot, then drizzle over the marinade. It really is a test of patience waiting, but after shredding and tasting, it's worth the effort. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, stay tuned for more videos and ideas in the kitchen.